Kung alam ko lang, paulit-ulit ko na sanang sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita.
A man whose love remains unfinished.
Excuse me. Thank you.
A woman whose life is yet to unfold.
Eto na nga oh, ang layo na ng narating ko. I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
One place will bring them together.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Konting hirap, suko agad. Masabihan mo na konti, aalis. Kapag pumalpak, tatakas. Alam mo, Mia, hindi ka talaga pwede sa ibang bansa eh. Ang hina-hina mo.
Pareho lang tayo. Gusto ko, kumanda yung buhay ko. Gusto ko na hindi magtapos yung buhay ko dahil nasa isang pagkakamali.
One day will keep them apart.
Naisip ko it would help you move on.
Move on from what?
From everything that's keeping you from moving on.
Stop acting like you know my pain. Stop acting like you own it. Hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine.
Star Cinema proudly presents an Olivia M. Labasan film.
Mia, mahal kita.
You don't have to. Huwag mo akong mahalin dahil mahal kita. Mahalin mo ko dahil mahal mo ko. Because that is what I deserve.
Barcelona, A Love Untold. September 14 in cinemas worldwide.